Everyone tells you to become a software developer, but no one tells you where to actually start. Should you start with HTML and CSS or jump straight into DSA? Should you focus on full stack development, or do you also need to learn generative AI? With so many roadmaps online, it is easy to feel confused before you even write your first line of code. That is why many students come across the advanced certification in software development with GenAI and DSA by IITM Pravartak. But before enrolling, most students have a few important questions. Can someone from a non-tech background become a software developer? What exactly is taught in this program, and will I receive a valuable certification? And is this course worth the investment? If you're wondering the same, this video is for you. So let's start with the biggest question. Can students from non-tech backgrounds actually transition into software development? Yes, absolutely. This program is designed to help beginners build software development skills from the ground up. So even if you don't have a computer science background, the curriculum gradually takes you from the fundamentals to the full stack development, data structures and algorithms, and generative AI applications. And throughout your learning journey, you will have access to live doubt support session, mentorship, one monthly guest lecture from IT faculty, industry expert masterclasses, and over 1,000 plus teaching assistants to help you wherever you're stuck. And moving on to the next question. What exactly is taught in this 9-month advanced certification in software development with GenAI and DSA by IITM Pravartak? Over the course of 9 months, you will follow a structured learning roadmap that combines full stack development, data structures and algorithms, generative AI, and career preparation, helping you build the skills required for modern software development roles. The journey begins with the fundamentals of web development. You will learn HTML, CSS, responsive design, and JavaScript, building a strong foundation before moving on the interactive web applications and your first hands-on projects. Once you have mastered the front-end basics, you will move on to the back-end development using technologies like Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB, and APIs, where you will understand how complete web applications work behind the scenes, from managing databases to building and deploying server-side applications. As you progress, you will learn React to build modern, scalable user interface while also strengthening your computer science fundamentals with concepts like databases, SQL, and operating systems, topics that are commonly tested during software development interviews. Since AI is becoming an important part of software development, the program also introduces generative AI, showing you how tools like ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot can help improve productivity and streamline the development process. Finally, you will dedicate a significant part of the program to data structures and algorithms, where you will develop strong problem-solving skills through topics like arrays, trees, dynamic programming, and advanced data structures. The DSA curriculum is available in Java, Python, and C++, allowing you to learn in the languages you're most comfortable with. So by the end of the program, you will have learned how to build complete software applications while developing the problem-solving skills expected from today's software development. So let's move on to the next question. What kind of projects will I build? Throughout the program, you will work on multiple real-world projects that help you apply what you've learned instead of just understanding the concepts theoretically. You will start with the beginner-friendly projects and gradually move on to the building applications like a music player, social media web application, authentication systems, portfolio, stock market analysis, busy buy, and even an AI-powered Ninja interviewer. These projects expose you to front-end development, back-end systems, databases, APIs, authentication, and AI-assisted software development, giving you experience that's relevant to the real-world development workflows. So by the end of the program, you will have a portfolio of projects that showcase your ability to build complete software applications. Because at the end of the day, recruiters don't just want to know how you have learned things, they want to see what you have built. And now, most importantly, will you get a certificate, and would it be valid for applying to MNCs? That is one of the most important questions students ask, and rightly so. Upon successfully completing the program and meeting the required criteria, you will receive the advanced certification in software development with GenAI and DSA by IITM Pravartak. A certification from a reputed institution adds credibility to your profile by showcasing that you have completed the structured training in software development, DSA, and generative AI. But the real value doesn't come from a certification alone. It comes from combining the certification with the hands-on projects, practical problem-solving skills, and the industry-relevant technologies. So when you apply for software development roles, you're not just presenting a certificate, you're showcasing the skills and the projects you've built throughout the program. Moving on, what is the fees and is it worth the investment? Instead of looking at the fees alone, it is important to look at everything that is included. Along with the technical curriculum, you will get live classes, mentorship, doubt support, resume reviews, mock interviews, career guidance, and structured placement assistance to help you prepare for software development opportunities. The final fee depends on the scholarships you're eligible for. You can also explore EMI options by booking a free one-on-one counseling session with Coding Ninja's team, who can guide you based on your career goals. I hope this video gives you a clear understanding of the advanced certification in software development with GenAI and DSA by IITM Pravartak. If you still have any questions, let us know in the comments below and we would love to answer them in our next video. And if you would like to know about the personalized fees, scholarship, eligibility, or whether this program is the right fit for you, book a free one-on-one counseling session using the link in the description. We will see you in the next video.